How to fix a Snapchat streak glitch. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your Snapchat is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. If it shows update, tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll below onto apps, and then search for Snapchat. Now here go on to storage and then tap on to clear data. Also be noted, if you do so, it will delete all of your login history, your snaps and chats. If you would still like to continue, then tap on delete. If not, tap cancel and just clear the cache. Once it is so, if it's still not working, then uninstall your application and reinstall it again. Once you reinstall it, it will definitely fix your streak problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.